Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Today we are going to be unboxing and doing a giveaway of the August Boxycharm base box. And I do have a couple other giveaways going on right now. One, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette. I also don't want you guys to forget that I have a huge one in honor of our 1,000th subscriber video. It has over a $400 value in that thing. Make sure to check out that giveaway, and I've got a bunch of other ones too. All the information is in the description box down below. If you can do me a favor, make sure to like this video and leave a comment about what your favorite thing is in the box. That way it just helps out the algorithm and helps me out a little bit more. Also, I do want to say that the biggest rules for my giveaways is you must be a subscriber to my channel and watch the video in its entirety. One of the things that we're going to start doing based on a suggestion from one of you is to put a secret word somewhere, don't know where, in this video. I do all my giveaways. I use a Google form link that'll be in the description box down below. But one of the questions will be to know what that secret word is, and so you can put that on the form. Also, if you put the secret word in the comments down below, that'll disqualify you, okay? So that way, you know, people are watching it and trying to figure it out for themselves. I don't want somebody's just saying, hey, by the way, the secret word is that, and then you don't have to listen to her. So anyway, so we are going to give away one of the items in here in the Boxycharm base box. I only know of one of the items, and that was the item that I did pick out for this. Oh, before I forget, I wanted to let you guys know what I'm wearing for an eye look today. And today we are doing the Tarteist Pro by Tarte, and basically this row right here. So I love Boxycharm. It comes out once a month. This is the base box. It's $25 a month. You do get 5 full-size items in there, and you could pick out one of your items in here. And they have add-on sales. And you guys, I picked up some really, really cool things for the upcoming add-ons that they say they shipped. Who knows? I live in the opposite end of the country from where Boxycharm ships from, so it takes forever to get here, so who knows when they will get here. But I'm super excited for this. I do have a code for Boxycharm if you would like to check them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below for you as well. So let's dive in. I am so excited, and I'll let you know what you need to do for the giveaway a little bit later on. So let's start out by the product that I did pick out. When I'm not filming, I don't wear a ton of makeup. I don't wear hardly any foundation when I'm not filming, unless it's a big night out or something like that, and who's going out anywhere? So I did pick up the QMS Medicosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. And it's a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins that help blur and imperfect and reveal visibly glowing and even skin. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. You guys, this retails for $105. What? For a day cream? Come on. Anyway. Here's what the packaging looks like. Just put a little bit of that on the back of my hand. So there's what there's a shade range. This is it. And just kind of blurs it out just a tad. You're not expecting much more from basically a tinted moisturizer, but $105 seems a little steep for me. Ooh, I don't think I've tried a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette before. And this is the Essential 2 palette. And these 10 eyeshadow pans of Pure Bliss provide all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up any look. Retails for $36. Well, you guys, these are so pretty. Love this palette. I think I'm gonna do like a multiple look one from this palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple of these shades for you. So let's look at the beige clay and rose gold, those first three. So that beige is so close to my natural color, you can hardly even see it. This one is clay. I really like the shift that's going on here in this rose gold. It's got a pink to it, kind of a beige shift going on with it. And then let's do chocolate, brown, bronze, and copper. So these three. So here's your chocolate brown. I did kind of have to build this one up a little bit. And this is your bronze and your copper. And then let's do this wild orchid, kind of this really deep pink, almost like on the purple side. And then you have this blue shimmer here, the blue violet. Here's that wild orchid, and then this one is the blue violet. I think that these should go really well together. There are those two. Yeah, that'll be really pretty. I was expecting this to be more of a shimmer because it looked like it in the pan than what it is. And then let's do this aqua. It looks really, it's like a green, blue, gray shift going on, almost like a little bit of purple in it with it. I bet that would be kind of cool next to this. Let's try swatching it just next to it. And then here's that blue sky, that blue. And there are those two. They're so pretty. I did have to kind of build up the mattes a lot more than what I was expecting. You know, with swatches, you know, what you actually swatch and how they look on the eyes can be a whole lot different. So I can't wait to play with it and do kind of a multiple looks for you guys. And I'm gonna try and see if it comes back up in the pop-up where I can pick it up for you and do it as one of my, pick up one for you guys to do for monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway. And hopefully, if I can, I'll try and time that with when I'm doing the multiple looks from this palette as well. From Pure Heals is the Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam. This does retail for $24. Premium charcoal and Oriental Botanicals ingredients help cleanse the sebum and skin waste, and pine needle extracts and mineral ingredients help skin be moisturized and glossy. Because I have on the dry skin side, I can't do foaming cleansers, so I'll be putting this one probably in an upcoming giveaway for you guys. I don't think this is what we're gonna do in today's yet though. Ooh, from Morphe is the I Got This brush set. That's kind of cute with an I-E-Y-E instead of I. Anyway. Oh, these babes. Just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off the gorgeous looks. Go on and give a sweep. Collection includes oval shadow brush, pro firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, and angle liner brush. It does retail for $12. And this is what we're going to give away in this video. So I'm not always going to put the secret word right with the item that we're going to give away, but for this first one, we will. I just dropped my son off at college, so secret word of the day is college. I'll let you know in a little bit what you need to do to enter this. from Mud Masky is a hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo. This unique hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo makes the skin of your scalp healthy again. It repairs and strengthens the hair while moisturizing the skin on the scalp, controls dandruff from the roots, and works against itchy scalp. Suitable for all hair types and especially for damaged hair. I know I have really damaged hair. It's one of the reasons why I am growing out the grays. So I can't wait to try this. It does retail for $25. So the retail of this box is $202. You only pay $25 for it. Would I spend $202 on this box? No. Maybe 15. You know, and this was $105, so almost $100 more than what it was. This really wasn't gonna work for me. I do like this. We'll just kind of have to wait and see if it's gonna work. You know, I'm super excited to give it to one of you guys. I mean, you only need so many brushes. I clean my brushes every night after I film, so I'd rather pass on, you know, a set like this seems really cool to one of you guys. So what you need to do for this, like I said before, you must be a subscriber and watch this video in its entirety. This giveaway is open internationally, although I'm not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. I do all of my giveaways on Google Forms, so I'll put that link in the description box down below. Only fill it out once, and that way it's fair to everybody. Make sure to put your YouTube subscriber name on there, so that way I can check, yes, this person is subscribed, and make sure to put that secret word in there. Let's have this giveaway go through September 9th. On September 10th, I'll do a random number generator, and that will pick the winner of this giveaway. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Alma and the letter B. And then also if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying to grow this channel here. So like I said before, you know, if you guys like the video, comment down below, subscribe, all that helps the YouTube algorithm out for me. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple more videos for you. If you have the time, go and check them out. I would greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. You guys, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.